Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have the OneDrive app installed and you are signed into the right account. Once done, copy or tap the shared OneDrive link from email, chat, or a web page. If on mobile, long press the link to reveal the Open with menu. If on desktop, right-click and choose Open. Make sure to avoid opening in the browser if the link should open in the app, because the app preserves permissions and sync behavior. Now you perform the core action. On iOS, tap the link then choose OneDrive from the share sheet. On Android, tap and select Open with OneDrive. On Windows or Mac, if the browser shows an Open in OneDrive button, use it. If not, copy the link and paste into OneDrive App Search or the shared view. Once the file opens in the app resolves permissions and offers sync, download, or add to your OneDrive options. Use whichever fits your workflow. Finish by confirming the file opened and you can view or edit it as expected. If you need local copies, choose Save or Add to OneDrive. If something goes wrong, make sure to sign out and sign back in, update the app, or clear its cache. These steps often fix link handling glitches. If access is denied, request permission from the owner because share settings like expiration or view only can block the app. Finally, try opening the link from a different device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.